Hey everybody, it's Becky from Power Tools with Thread, and it is the 9th of February 2019, and this is really day 6 of the sewing room makeover. I'm about finished. I still yet need to do the cutting table. I'm gonna hold off on that. Originally wanted to do use IKEA furniture. Y'all, it was gonna run $300. It was crazy. And I don't need a $300 cutting table. So I'm going to it's going to have the same design, but it's just not going to be $300 IKEA furniture. However, the IKEA furniture that I did buy is absolutely amazing, and I am just so happy with it. I will put links to everything I have below in the description box. But I have a fully functional, working sewing room. Everything's plugged in. Everything works. There's still little tweaks here and there that I want to do. So my biggest challenge was the fabric, believe it or not. Yes, there's a lot of stuff, but it was the fabric. It was figuring out what was what. My biggest problem was not really deciding what to keep and what to toss. It was easy to decide what not to keep. I have big scraps and I have little scraps. And do I separate those or do I keep them together? And I've seen a lot of videos on what to do with scraps, and so I think I got it. Not everything is as I want it to be. I still have that great big white cabinet back here. That's going to stay there until I get the storage area underneath my cutting table set up. And then I can get rid of the big white cabinet that's behind me. But let me take you around the room. Hold on a second. I got my new video camera. I got to figure out how to pause this. So, this is the Billy bookcase, and the other one, the little one, I don't have the name for it. I cannot pronounce. I will put it in the description box below. But so this is over here on my left side of my room, and up here I've got all of my little sewing books. I got another one in the mail the other day from Fat Quarter Shop. Yay! All my software, patterns, and that little pig I have had since I was like 4. It's a bank my dad brought for me. A gorgeous Moda layer cake, and lots of other things down there that I need occasionally. And up top I have, because I'm a fangirl, I have a block magazine that Jenny signed at a show. And of course it's the one that has the beach on the cover, because I have a house at the coast. And I have an antique hammer up there. And then just a bunch of fat quarters with some bright colors right here. So the machines are all plugged in. I moved that panel from this window over one window left to give me some more natural light in here. I never opened that other window in the corner anyway. And everything works. Everything's set up. My ironing board, I think I want to get a child's a baby changing table. I got to put those tools away down there yet. But got that all. Look at that. Doesn't that look like a dream room to sew in? And it's wonderful. If you want to see what's in all the drawers, look at day number 4. And then I have all of these. Whoop! I need to put my little sign back up. Sorry, guys. There. Never underestimate the power of a woman with a sewing machine. Isn't that great? Jelly roll tower, and lots of fat quarters, and layer cakes, and charm packs. If I doubted I was a quilter, oh, I need to straighten that up. Those are all of my solids. That's a mess. I still have work to do, you guys. But here it is. Everything has a place, everything in its place. So it's just a dream to be in here, you guys. I'm not going to show you that nook corner. It's not done. Not yet. Let me put you on pause a second here. Okay, so that's it. I've still got a lot to do, but right now I can actually start sewing and quilting, and I need to make a tunic. Let me pause a second. Hold on, I'll be right back. Have you guys ever heard of the Tunic Bible by Sarah Gunn? She is, oh, and Julie Starr. She's also co-author of this book. This is a wonderful, wonderful book, and it has patterns in it. And I'm going to make a tunic today, and tomorrow I need to wear on Tuesday. But I have some really, really cute pink linen for Valentine's Day. And it's beautifully illustrated. Can you guys see? It has just gorgeous stuff in it. And Sarah Gunn is doing, she did 3 episodes of It's So Easy on PBS. And her blog is Goodbye Valentino. She sponsored the Ready to Wear Fast last year that I was part of, that I had to drop out early because I lost too much weight. I had to go buy clothes. But anyway, so I'm going to be making something out of here this weekend, and I will take some videos and bring you guys along with me when I do, okay? So thanks a lot for joining me. Thanks for putting up with me and the mess during the makeover. So I'm really excited and love to be out here. Not that I didn't before, but still more to go. But I actually have space now, and it feels so good. All right, y'all. We will talk to you later, and you guys keep on stitching. Bye.